When God sneezed, the creation gone wrong. In the beginning, there was nothing. No stars, no planets, not even Wi-Fi. Just darkness and silence, like your phone when you forget to charge it. Then one day, God sneezed. Not a small, achoo, but a massive, achoo. That shook the void. And that sneeze. That's what scientists later called the Big Bang. Tiny particles flew everywhere, like popcorn in a microwave. Stars, planets, and galaxies started forming. And God was like, oops, I sneezed too hard again. After a few billion years, Earth showed up. A blue planet that looked like a perfect vacation spot. So, God decided to decorate it. He added trees for shade, oceans for vibes, and mosquitoes just to keep humans humble later. Then came the toughest task, creating life. God mixed a little dirt, some water, and one drop of curiosity. And boom, Adam 1.0 was born. But Adam was just sitting there, doing nothing. No Wi-Fi, no social media, no girlfriend, just breathing. God looked at him and said, "Bro, this guy's more boring than a buffering YouTube video." So he took one of Adam's ribs and created Eve 1.0. Now there were two humans, and finally, some drama could begin. For a while, everything was peaceful. Then humans invented arguments, ego, and TikTok. God watched them from heaven and said, "Maybe I should have stopped after dinosaurs, at least they didn't post reels." Soon, humans started building cities, cars, and iPhones. They explored space, but still couldn't find where they kept their charger. God sighed and whispered, "I gave them a beautiful planet, and they made traffic." And that's how the universe and humans were created. Not with perfection, but with a sneeze, a mistake, and a lot of comedy.